Hey guys, Romanzer here with episode 3 of Super Mario Sunshine. And I'm back at this place, ready to fail. I got my fail Capri Sun and my fail clothes on. So I am ready. What is that? What? Not right now, Berlin. Dang it, you made me fall. Dang it. I told you I had my fail juice. I thought there was a fudge balls. This might take a while. A very, very, very long while. No. Okay, well, at least now I know where to go. I think I found a route or a route that will help me. At least now I know where to go. Cough. Throat hurts. Stop flipping. So hard to get on this one screen. Oh, that was epic. Okay. Go. Haha, losers. Yes, finally And jump off a cliff. Just kidding. Ooh, I did a flip into it. Shine. Save and continue. Ooh, I like the beach place. It's more rotten cabbage though. But I'm gonna go there. Oh wait, it was liquid cabbage, not rotten cabbage. Sorry. Oh no, there's a toad in there. In your mouth. In your mouth. In your mouth. Awesome. Thanks, Mario. Oh, so you don't give me even 1 coin. You are so selfish. I will squish your toad little head. I will squish your mini mushroom head because you did not give me. Ugh. Come here, mushroom head. Ugh. Yes! Oh, wait, I gotta go to the secret place. Yeah, you see that warp pipe over there? That's another one of those secret levels. Oh, this one. I love this one's music. Yikes. Huh, on my first time too. Shine. Battery's almost out. So when the battery runs out, that's when the video ends. That's how it works for me. Oh my god, he's on fire. Calm down. Stop, drop, and roll. God, your backpack is on fire. How about you actually knock some sense into yourself and take your backpack off if it is on fire. You will die, man. Clean your fire. Fire is not safe. If you haven't noticed, what is wrong with your brains? God, finally. You better give me something. Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna say bye, guys, because this is gonna end at any second because of the batteries. I'm gonna get new batteries after this because I have a few new batteries. This will be part 1 of episode 3, just so you know. Dunebud Sandcastle Secret. Oh, I love this Sandcastle Secret. It's beast. Ugh. Whatever those duck things are called, I hate them. Where is it? Ow. Not right now, Berlin. Oh, was it over there probably? Whoa. What the cheese? What the cheese? What the cheese? Jeez, leave me alone, you bully. There it is. Gotta go. Get out of my face! Ow! Wow! Flood! This is my favorite secret level. Just because of the sand. That was close. I'm not gonna risk it. Poke. Watch, I'm gonna poke that brick. Poke. Poke. Yeah, I see that one up back there. I'm not gonna get it right now though. Whoa! I'm surprised I didn't lose a heart. Oh snap. That's what I call skills. Shine! What, Berlin? Huh? You can talk out loud.
I thought you said that the memory was full.
Yeah, but I uploaded the videos. Episode 1 and 2.
When? Tomorrow? Oh wait, that doesn't exist.
Particles!
You're a particle.
I am a particle.
Stay and watch the video.
Huh?
I'll just stay and watch the video.
Okay. Batteries are gonna run out in a second anyways.
Yay!
And then I'm gonna put new batteries in and then record part 2 of this.
Apple, yay! Oh, I ring a better spot.
Yeah, I love this part.
Yeah, it's funny.
Yeah.
I love how he gets madder and madder once you hit his butt.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
You actually have to ground pound on him.
Yeah.
Do,
Bam! In your butt.
Roland, don't say that. Especially when I'm recording a video. I don't care.
Oh yeah, and you have to like do those two things too.
Do what 2 things?
Like make that water thing.
No.
So that plant thing, water the plant.
Okay, don't talk anymore.
I'll talk to your face.
Forgot how to do this.
Thanks, man. Yeah. Just turn it upside down.
What am I supposed to do?
Wait here with the water gun until he gets upset.
Oh, or until he falls over.
Yeah.
Fall over.
But he can hold his balance. No! Spin, spin. And switch.
Ow. Ow.
Touch him with feet.
Yeah.
You have to spray his feet. It's obvious.
Yeah, but I can't. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to spray him.
I think it's the part of him.
Yeah, you can spray any part of him.
Spray his feet.
Okay, just stop talking. Doesn't change anything. I am so dead.
Yep. And that's the truth.
No, it's not.
Not that.
Nope, because I have a coin.
A coin. He'll be fine going.
I need to get a refill of water while I'm down here anyways. Climbing the tree. No!
Fine.
Fine.
Okay, you too.
Yep, you should be.
Come in when you press that caterpillar button.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold this pencil.
Oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. No, I died.
What are we supposed to do?
I died. I'm supposed to, you know, when he's on one foot,
Yeah.
when he's on one foot, I'm supposed to ground pound the other end so he flies off of that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Get you. Here's a good camera. Oh, here's a good face.
I'll bite
My
your...
face almost bit my fist.
I almost bit your thumb off, not your fist.
Your fist.
Your face is a fist.
You're a feisty fist.
Uh-huh. Coffee. I got one of them. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. And number 2 is way over there. Up, up, up. This is hard. What the heck is wrong with you? The heck? What the fudge? Die already. Oh my god, you sucker, you sore loser. I will squirt you and drown you on purpose. I will rid you of existence. Yes! God, it took long enough. I need a water refill. Ow. Oh, this might take forever. Come on. That's close. Ow. There goes one. There goes another. There goes another. That was epic. And he falls into pieces. He falls into pieces. I said falls. Ooh. I really have to go to the bathroom. I forgot about you. Shine. Coffee. Okay, guys, see you in episode 3. Oh, wait. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. I'll see you in episode quattro. Quattro. Number 4, okay? That's good enough.